Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on a PC. Playing on your computer offers a much larger display and more precise controls, enhancing your strategic gameplay. We will cover everything from choosing the right software to setting up your game. This guide makes it easy to transition your favorite mobile game to a desktop experience, giving you a competitive edge and a more comfortable way to play for extended periods. Let's dive right in. To begin, you will need an Android emulator, which is software that simulates an Android phone on your computer. There are several excellent options available, such as BlueStacks and Nox Player, both widely used and reliable. Visit the official website of your chosen emulator and download the installation file. Always ensure you are downloading from a trusted source to avoid any security issues. This first step is crucial for bringing your mobile games to the big screen. Once the emulator installer is downloaded, run it and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, you will need to perform an initial setup, which includes logging in with your Google account. This step is essential for accessing the Google Play Store. Take a moment to adjust the emulator's performance settings, like allocating more RAM or CPU cores, to ensure a smooth and responsive gaming experience for Clash Royale. With your emulator set up, open the Google Play Store from within the emulator's interface. Search for Clash Royale and proceed with the installation, just as you would on a mobile device. After the game is installed, launch it. Most emulators offer robust key mapping features, allowing you to assign keyboard keys and mouse clicks to in-game actions. Customizing these controls will significantly enhance your precision and overall gameplay experience, giving you a distinct advantage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.